Merry Christmas, everybody. From our house to your house. It may be 80 degrees outside, but it is still Christmas inside. Hi, good morning. This is Anne-Marie, and this is Anmaree's Workshop on location in Nicole's workshop. And this is my hashtag Friday Says video. Now, if you like to make things, this is the right place. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is the last day in the workshop. Time to go home. I'll be leaving for Jamaica tomorrow morning, so this is the last. This is my last entry from Nikki's workshop. And so the forum topic this morning is, what is your favorite handmade gift that someone ever made for you? And it just so happens I have evidence of the kind of people I'm working with. Now, I know some amazing people, and I went to dinner the other night with one of my dearest friends, Peggy. And one of the favorite gifts that she ever made me was, she knows that I made those polymer clay ornaments that have the faces on them. And Peggy handcrafted Native American faces, reverse mold them, and made me a set of molds to create bells that had Native American faces on them. Those are the kind of people I'm working with. So 2 nights ago, we had dinner, which is between lunch and dinner after I dropped my daughter off at the airport to go to Germany. I was in the neighborhood, so I got a chance to meet with one of my dearest, Peggy. And she, of course, had a Christmas gift, because we do, that's what creators do. And just to show you what I'm working with, I'll give you the crafty gift that she gave me, which is a wooden spool ornament with twine on it to make it look like thread, and a little Santa bell at the bottom for my tree. Isn't that cute, right? Oh no, hold on. And these are the coasters she made for me. So just to give you an idea, this is one of my friends. This is the kind of talent that I'm working with. So one of my favorite, but one of my favorite gifts from her was the Native American molds. And it was in with other things. This was just a byproduct. She's a painter, a sculptor, a woodworker, a gardener, a master gardener, and stuff like that. But the thought about sharing her culture and adding it to my art was stunning. And that is one of my favorite handmade gifts that I've ever received. Now, my other friends don't come for me. There's lots of honorable mentions. I've got beautiful Halloween candlesticks. I've got bookmarks. I've got all kinds of things that people have made for me that are fabulous, but they did ask for my favorite. Now, what is happening around the workshop is it's time to go, so I'm packing up, and every time I come, I add something to my daughter's workshop to make, she doesn't have a lot of time to sew, so I try and arrange her studio or add things to her studio, like more lighting, this rolly chair, and stuff like that, to make it easier for her to get her 10, 15, 20, 30 minutes in to sew, because I know she loves it. It's very relaxing. It's just that she doesn't have a lot of time. This week, for her birthday was Wednesday, I completed the, 1 minute. I made her the Megan Nielsen Hovia jacket and coat. I made the jacket first because she said she wanted it shortened, and then we had enough material left over and I made the coat. So she left for Germany on Wednesday in the coat. I will include a picture of her in it, or me in it. Did I get her in the coat? One of us is gonna be wearing the coat over here. It's beautiful. I have some scrap left over from the fabric. She said that she got this fabric from Closet Core. It's a quilted woven. I don't know if they have it anymore. She didn't buy it that long ago, but it's so beautiful. I'm pretty sure, I haven't checked to see if there's any more left. This is one of the scrap. I ended up having another yard left over. I think she wants some kind of bag or backpack or something made out of it. And I did a small video about this that I will or just look for it to come up. I'm kind of pressed for time now, so I don't have the link. I haven't uploaded that video yet, but I just had forgotten about Friday Sews. But I did the jacket and I did the coat, and they were stunning. Now let me think. What did I do this week? I did another Vlogmas. I did my scrappy carpet bag. Hold on. I just remembered something else I made. In between this, the scrappy travel bag that I'm gonna show you, I had enough material left from the quilt that I made for my daughter to make her 2 cushions for her couch. I got this really cool leather look material at Walmart. Yeah, y'all, Walmart. So I made her 2 cushions from the top. I tried to put the medallions on her and she told me no medallions. No little crochet medallions. It was okay on the quilt, but not on the cushions. What did she say? Like, this is anthropology, and I was going into West Elm if I put the crochet things in, or the reverse. I don't know. I'm not hip. Guys, it is such a great bag. It is filled to capacity with stuff. I don't know necessarily I'll be able to bring it with me this time because I've already got 2 suitcases, and there is a suitcase embargo going to Jamaica this time of year because we tend to buy a lot of stuff and bring it home. But I just wanted to show you. I included this in my Vlogmas. This is my scrappy fabric that I created out of scraps from the whole year. So if you didn't get a chance to check out my Vlogmas series, I show you how to make the scraps and how to turn it into a multitude of projects and little gifts that you can give to people. But I think I did that. I also came up with an earring carrier for those of us who wear the big earrings. What else did I do? I can't remember anything else that I have done. I've been trying to see people and go places, and I have shopped, y'all. I've gone to go get little things from Joann's and Hobby Lobby, and let me see, do I have that catch that I think I've already packed it. Alrighty, so this is just a little glimpse. Next time that we talk, I'll be back. Hopefully, I'll be back in my studio. You all enjoy the holidays. Keep making, keep sewing. Remember, I told you about this pussy bow shirt from Simplicity. Y'all go find this pattern. This is it in the red satin, and it has a little pleat in the back. It's beautiful. I didn't have a chance to wear it before, but I'm meeting a dear friend today, and I'm trotting it out before. But it's so cute. It's good on every body type. I will find out. I think you have to get it on eBay. It's not in the book anymore. I think I talked about it on one of the videos recently, but I will look it up for you. All right. Take care, keep making, and we'll see you next Friday.